Get ready for a season of joy and savings at Bill Harris dealerships as we celebrate Home for the Holidays. Kickstarting with the special Red Tag bonus cash going on now through November on popular Chevrolet models. It's the perfect time to unwrap incredible deals. But that's not all. We truly live in someplace special. So we've got a sleigh full of festive fun with exciting events, fantastic prizes, and exclusive savings on winter service and maintenance that will make your holidays merry and bright. Join us as we add that extra dash of joy to your celebrations through the entire Christmas season. So stay tuned to our pages as the most wonderful time of the year unfolds. Bill Harris Dealerships, where holiday dreams come true.